Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to actually polish Bentley 8 door cappings. Now I have flattered these with 1500 sandpaper that gives it this dull type of finish. Over here we've got the polishing machine. We've got two cutting compounds. One is a cutting compound that goes on the hard mop, and then we've got the polishing one that goes on the softer mop. Before you attempt any of this, if you'd like to call us if you get stuck or you want a quote, it's always good to get a quote before you start. My name's Jed, it's GDK Veneering, Unit 4, Chapel Lane in Crewe, Cheshire, CW1 4NZ. My telephone number is on my back and the website. Also email address is gdkveneering@hotmail.co.uk. Okay, first of all, I'm going to get some protective clothing on. Now at this stage, it will get a little bit noisy and I won't be speaking because you won't hear me anyway. But you'll see that I use one mop and then I use the other mop, and then we'll see the shine at the end of it. So if you go this side, Logan, please. Okay, from this stage, you won't hear me. Okay. There we go. As you can see, the shine on the actual door capping, got a little bit of wax that's down there that we just brushes off like that. As you can see, that little bit of the door capping that I've polished, it's already up to a really good shine. So thank you very much for watching, tuning in again. Thank you.